based on a pickup line that somebody tried on me in a bar in New Orleans. And the line was, it was a guy who was hitting on me and it wasn't really working. He was trying all the usual stuff. And so he tried something new, which was, he said, "Honey, you're gonna die one day. So you really ought to enjoy yourself while you have the chance." Which I thought was a very creative pickup line, so I wrote him a song. He said, "Baby, what's a big deal? Feel what you wanna feel. Say what you wanna say. You're gonna die one day. For example, I could kiss you just because I want to. What's the difference if you turn away? I'm gonna die one day. Why do you waste your time thinking about your reputation? Trying to meet an expectation, wondering what they're gonna say. When everyone you've ever known is headed for a headstone, I don't wanna give the end away, but we're gonna die one day. You buy